Tequila Dave here. I thought I'd just give a slightly better demonstration. I'm still trying to film it by myself of using a UK bathroom light cord to unlock a pair of handcuffs. Now I'm not going to do it as double cuff this time, so actually I can put the cuffs down. Now what I'm going to do is put the key, now what you've got to think, depending on which way you've got the cuffs orientated and which way round, is how you put the key. So let's see, I'm going to do keyhole up. I'm going to hold this one up again, hang on a sec. I don't know if you can see that. Key's pretty level, and you've got a little bit at the end there. So I'll get the cuffs. Imagine you've got the cuffs on you. If let's see if I can do this with the camera. You can get the key into the hole like so. Give it a turn. If need be, just pull down on the bottom bit, and the cuffs open. That was just a little quick demo. I'll do a better one when I've actually got someone here to help me film it. Tequila Dave out.